So, hello everybody, how are you doing? Today we are driving the facelifted C43 AMG, but not only the normal one, but the one optimized by Performmaster. You could actually call it the C43s, because we got 460 horsepower and 610 Newton meters of torque. I'm very anxious to see the time that it does measuring with the drift box from 0 to 100, of course, and 200. But also 100 to 200 compared to the facelifted coupe that we already drove earlier in the year, or actually last year already. I think that coupe did a 10.8 or 10.9 seconds from 100 to 200. I'm very eager to see if this optimized version actually delivers a lot better time. We had very ideal conditions with the coupe. I have to admit that it was a bit of downhill, but let's see if we can do at least the same numbers on a flat piece of Autobahn. So we have everything in Sport Plus. We have the traction control into the handling mode or sport mode, so we should be good to go. Let's have fun. So let's now see how fast the C43s goes 100 to 200. This was actually a very amazing time that we just managed, and we actually measured a 4.0, which is more or less, let's say, 3/10 faster than the previous generation Performmaster, and it's about half a second faster than the serial equipped standard C43 MOP or facelift with 390 horsepower. That is already amazing, but then we did a 9.8 seconds 100 to 200, which is 1 second faster than the coupe that we tested earlier. Actually, under the good conditions that we tested the coupe, likely it would be even a better time or a bigger difference between the standard version. So you actually got half a second to 100, at least a second 100 to 200 that this Performmaster kit gives you. And actually, once you hit 200 and accelerate from 200 upwards, the power increases even more than what you can see with those figures, because the car just pulls so strongly and reaches unbelievable speeds. Actually a very, very cool package that is not that far away, honestly, from the driving pleasure that our C63s offered, specifically on the Autobahn.